TV swivels up to 50 degrees. Rated for 12 to 20 pounds capacity. Drop-down wall mount, installation hardware, and installation instructions included. Fits mounting patterns, 75 by 75, 100 by 100, 200 by 200. Top reviews from the United States. This mount is pricey for sure, but if going in an RV, worth the money. I installed in the garage area of Jayco toy hauler with no issue. I mounted a 40-inch TV to it and seems to work well. Mount seems sturdy and easily installed with the 4 lag bolts to the wall. TV is adjustable side to side, but has no ability to tilt up or down, which a little of a negative. Locking the TV into place prior to a trip is a little bit of a pain, but no awful. Overall, if wanting this to go in a toy hauler garage where it lifts up out of the way, I don't think you can go wrong with this.